In this course lesson, I'm going to talk about how you can optimize a view. So this is a really simple example of how you can define logics in Grasshopper for a view. And you can see if I just change the position of the person, if it has an intersection with the obstacles, we have a 0 view. So you can see that when we just move this and look at this window, from this position, we have a really small view. And when we just move this, there is a position which we increase our view. You can see that when we just go up from this path, we have a more view and we have increasing 0.86 coming up, and then it comes down. So you can see that it's really somewhere between this path. And then we can also just make an optimization with Galapagos and say we want to maximize view, and then we'll just solve this with Galapagos. So this is the best way and the most simple example of how you can define something like a view. This is not exactly maybe a scientific article you want to write, but it can give you a view of how to optimize a view based on the position of the person. And you can see that we have defined a location for optimizing the view just 1 meters from that eye of the person. And then you can also see that we have some places that we have an intersection. So this is the zeros. So we're in states. You can see that we have an intersection. Some places we have a really small view, so it's near 0. So if I just put this and reinstate that, you can see that if we look from here, we have a small view, and then we have an optimized view, something like this. You can see it's near the top. So the important thing is that the distance is important, the height of the person is important, and the angle which we look from that to have the best view to that window, something like this, is calculated by Galapagos in this example.